Hello guys! Welcome to your first tutorial on your digital interactive notebook for science. What you'll notice is once you have opened this from Google Classroom, you have your own copy. So it will say something different up here. It should say your name in front of the title. If it doesn't, let me know. Before we do anything to our interactive notebook, please know that you are not to put this in presentation mode. Anything you do will be an edit. So the first thing you're going to do, you'll notice that you have your cover here and you have 3 tabs along the side. This is our first notebook, so it's Unit 1A, Science Bootcamp. You're going to click here and you should be able to type your whole name. You also have links for each of the tabs. So for example, you can go right to the glossary right there. On each slide, there's also a tab to go right back to the cover. So you will work through your interactive notebook. The first slide usually will have all of the standards that we will discuss in this particular unit. Each week will be something different, or it could be a continuation depending on where we are in our lessons. So our first lessons are just 6.1 A and B, 6.4 A and B as well. The instructions are on the third slide. Basically just telling you that I want you to keep it in edit mode, not presentation, okay? Also, let's give a little shout out to my super cute little Bitmoji here. In most of the slides, you will find an activity. So for example, in this one, Safety and Science, you will read the following text, and using the shape tool, which is right here, using the shape tool, you're going to find 3 academic terms and then put a box around it. So let's say you want to put a box around the term investigations. So you would put the box, but oh no, you can't see it. So part of my instructions also say, once the box is drawn, change the fill color. The fill color is right here. And you'll want to change it to transparent. Okay? I also would like for you to change the border color to red. And now you can see that there's a box around the word investigations. Once you have read the text, put boxes around the 3 terms. Over here, you will just type in what those 3 terms were. Continuing with the instructions, you will then choose one of those terms and define it right here. Okay? Moving on. If you find that there is a video in the slide, you may view it in edit mode, or you can change it to present to watch the video. Either way, you will be able to view it, but it may be easier for you to do so if you're in presentation mode. Each of these slides will have some terms that are defined for you. You will then have a few more activities regarding those slides and those terms. Sometimes you have more videos. Most of our units will have our lab safety vocabulary. This one in particular, I'd like for you to find an image online and insert it here. So once you have found that image and saved it to your desktop, you just simply go here, upload from computer, or if you'd like to, you may search the web directly. Once you've done that, you can just simply insert it. And you can put it right there in that box. If you want to drag it to be a little bit smaller, that'd be helpful so that everything can fit on the page. And that's it for that one. You will work through your interactive notebook. Most of the time there will be a link that will take you outside of the Google Slides to Google Forms or even Google Docs. Once you've completed that assignment, you will then return to the slides to complete the rest of the notebook. All the notebooks will have a glossary at the end where you can put the term's definition in your own words. You may work through each of the slides throughout the week. Your notebook is due on the following Monday. As you're working through it, even before you turn it in, I can check your progress. I will leave little comments to the side depending on your work and how you're doing. Please let me know if you have any questions.